Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. Students, before starting today's video, one point I want to explain to you that most of the students, they all might have got the message or the informations or the data from the Gujarat board, that Gujarat board has taken decisions that 30% syllabus reductions. मतलब Gujarat board 30% syllabus it was reduced by that Gujarat board. Question is there, 30% syllabus which was reduced by the Gujarat board, that means only on your final board exam that question will not come from that 30%, that remaining from 70% the questions will come. But it is clearly mentions that teacher has to teach all these 100% to the students, so that student can get the full knowledge about this subject or the chapters. Moreover, one more thing you have to be clear about it, that Gujarat board is taking the unit test. First, second, third unit test is over. Fourth unit test is going to come. In this unit test, the reductions is not there. This reductions is not be applicable in this unit test. The question may come from 100% from anywhere. So, I being a teacher, I will try to teach you almost all the things, but this 30% I will give the less importance, but remaining 70% I will give the maximum importance to you, so that it will be benefit for you also. So take care about it, and let us start the today's video on the basis of your textbook, page number 36, illustration number 12. Once again I want to repeat, page 36, illustration 12. Why I have taken these illustrations? Because previous video what I taught you and this video what I am going to teach, always you will try to find out what is the difference between these two, or what new thing you learn from these illustrations. Students, one thing I want to tell you, one by one illustrations, whenever it will come, you will keep it in your mind that there's something new you are going to learn from these illustrations. Whatever you have learned from the previous illustration, and what is the difference between these illustrations, between these two illustrations, that is that new things you are going to learn from these illustrations. Now a complete sum from issue to reissue. You know that one, 8 marks questions which is coming from issue to reissue. A complete sum from issue to reissue, you will find out that previous video and this video 1 or 2 points are new. Remaining almost all the points are same. This video what you are going to learn, that last video share premium sums you have done. Now share premium account, when it will come, that I told you. It will come when you will call. With the calling entry, share premium account will come, and share premium it is a credit balance. And call scenario it is coming in the debit balance whenever you are receiving, or you are passing the receiving entry. Up to this much already you know. But during the cancellation time, whenever you are going to cancel that share or forfeiture the share, that time share premium account will come or not. That is the main things in these illustrations that we are going to learn. One formula I will tell you, that will keep in mind. During this passing forfeiture account, share premium account will come or not, that depends on whether the share premium account is clear or not. Clear means it's paid or not. If share premium amount is paid by everybody, so during cancellation share premium account will not come. If it is due, if somebody is not paid, then it will come. I think it is clear to you. Like this one sum it is there, page number 36, illustration 12. I am reading the questions. you follow it. The Ceramics Limited issued 3 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 150 per share. See, face value of the share is 10, where the premium is 150 per share. The amount called up per share was as under. On application 74, including 70 premium, that means 4 plus 7. On allotment 44, including 40 rupees premium, that means 4 plus 40. And on final call 42, including 40 for premium, that means 2 plus 40. So here face value you are getting 4 rupees, here face value you are getting 4 rupees, and here you are getting 2. 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 8. And here you are getting 70 premium, 40 premium, and 40 premium. 40, 30, 80 plus 70, 150. That means if there are the 3 installments are there, all these 3 installments premium amount is there. Company received the application 3 lakhs. That means no excess applications company has received. So no refund entry will come. All accounts due were received except the final call of 2000 shares held by Vishal. Vishal, who was having 2000 shares, company for Vishal did not pay the final call money. See, the condition is there. Vishal did not pay the final call, means Vishal did not pay the final call amount including premium. That will keep in mind. It is not that Vishal paid 2000 shares of rupees 2 not paid and 2000 shares of rupees 40 paid, not like that. Vishal was having 2000 shares, he could not pay the money of final call, which is price is 42, where 2 rupees is the face value and 40 rupees is the premium. Company forfeited Vishal shares after carrying out the necessary formalities and reissued those shares to the Apni as fully paid up at rupees 80 per share. This Vishal share was cancelled by the company and it was reissued to Mr. Abni at rupees 80 per share. See the condition. Face value of the share it was 10 and reissued it was 80. Generally, most of the times that reissue it comes less than their face value, but here it is more than the face value. So 80 rupees means 10 rupees is the face value and 70 rupees is the premium. It is not mentioned, but it should understood that 80 rupees is meaning is that including 10 rupees face value is included. So face value is 10 rupees and 70 rupees is the premium while it was reissued. Pass necessary journalities in the above transaction in the books of the company and also prepare the security premium account. Now data, whenever you read the questions, you will try to collect the data, what is given and what are the data are required to solve that one. Once again, I do not want to read all this sentence, only in short form data I want to tell you. 3 lakh shares, 10 rupees face value, 150 premium, that is 74, 44, 42, that is 70, 40, 40, and company received the applications 3 lakh shares, Vishal 2000 shares not paid the last call, and that was reissued to Mr. Rabni at rupees 80 per shares. First journal is coming bank account debit. Bank account debit to equity shares applications account, that every one of you know. Bank account debit to equity share application account. How much will come? 3 lakh into 74. So bank account debit to equity share applications 3 lakh into 74. It comes to 22 and 50. That you will get it. Next is coming the next entry, which is called the transfer entry. When you will pass the transfer entry, that time you will keep it in mind that security premium it is there in every steps. To equity shares applications account debit, how much amount equity share applications it was credited, same amount you will make it a debit. The equity shares applications account debit 22250, to equity shares capital account, to security premium account. How much is the equity shares capital account? Equity shares capital account 3 lakh into 4. 3 lakh shares into 4 rupees, and this is 3 lakh into 70. Do you understand? This is 3 lakh into 4 is the face value, means our capital price, and security premium is rupees 70. This is called second entry for allotment. Sorry, applications. Now, third entry. Third entry means from the meaning third you understand it is allotment. 1, 2 application, 3, 4 allotment, 5, 6 first call or if it is their final call. So we will pass the entry for allotment calling entry. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account to security premium. Same like that. The second and third, there is no difference at all, only name is change. Here it is applications and here it is allotment. Remaining all are same. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account to security premium. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account to security premium. The amount will change. Here the amount is 44 rupees. So this is 44 into 3 lakh, which is coming this one. Out of 44, this is equity share capital is 4 rupees, that means 3 lakh into 4, and premium is 40 rupees, that is 3 lakh into 40. Now question is there, I will collect the money for allotment, and you got the money for allotment full amount. So bank account debit to equity share allotment account, you have received this all money, there is no due. So you have received bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Equity share allotment account, it was debited, the same amount it is credited. Next entry is coming, the fifth entry. Fifth entry will pass calling for final call. Calling for final call, equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account to equity share premium account. Same like that. Just now I told you, only name is change and amount is change. Name and change, name is change means final call is here is coming, here allotment was there, here final call is there. So equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account to security premium account. How much it was? 42. 3 lakh into 42, and out of that capital amount is 3 lakh into 2, and this is 3 lakh into 40. So equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account to equity share premium account. There is 126.50, this 650 and 120.50. Now that somebody has not paid the money, which is coming in calls in area, is not it? Here in your book you see the sixth entry calls in area was not passed, but I told so many times to you that you will write the calls in area account. Here it is not it, but it is not wrong, it is also correct. But I will suggest you write the calls in area. What will do? Who has not paid? Bisal. How many shares? 2000 shares. How much price? 40 rupees. 2000 into 40 means 84,000. 84,000 you did not get. How much you got? The bank account debit 125,16,000. This you have received. What will do? You write bank account debit this much. Calls in area account debit. Here you write calls in area account debit 84,000. So bank account debit this much. This is amount is correct. Bank account debit this much. Calls in area account debit 84. To equity share final call, you will not write this money. You will write this one 126.50. This will write. Automatically if you add 84, the amount will change. So this is 125,16,000 plus 84,000 is equal to 126.50. So bank account debit, calls in area account debit to equity share final call account. Now the things what you are going to learn, new things in this sum. This is illustration, sorry, point number or the journal number 7. What I told, the cancellation entry. Generally cancellation entry is share capital account debit to share forfeiture to calls in area. Once again I want to tell you, calls in area account, share capital account and share forfeiture account. This is main three account you will keep in mind. Share capital account debit number 1 to share forfeiture to calls in area. And now the question is there, security premium account, it is debited, it came it here. I told you in security premium account during this cancellation time, security premium account, if it is coming, it will come debit. Once again, security premium account, two things you have to understand, whether security premium account will come or not. That how will take decision. Security premium account will come or not, that depends on whether security premium all the amount is clear or not. First application security premium everyone's paid, allotment also security premium everyone paid, but last और फाइनल कॉल में सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम 2000 शेयर विशाल पेमेंट नहीं किया, जो नहीं किया वो अमाउंट यहाँ आएगा. If it is not clear, then it will come. If it is clear by everyone, it will not come. So share capital account debit 2000 shares of rupees 10, that is face value, that everyone of you understood. 2000 शेयर का 10 रुपया करके सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम जितना पेमेंट नहीं हुआ उतना विशाल सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम एप्लीकेशन के साथ दे दिया, अलॉटमेंट के साथ दे दिया, वो नहीं आया। जो फाइनल अमाउंट का साथ नहीं दिया तो 2000 शेयर को 40 रुपीज़ करके दैट विल बी डेबिटेड। सो शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट विल बी डेबिट टू शेयर फॉरफीचर, that amount you don't write to, here it is written equity share final account. I told you you will write call scenario. So you have written in 6th journal call scenario how much? 84,000. That you will write it here to call scenario account, not equity share final call account. This is also correct, but I will suggest to you to do that one. So here you understand this is 84 and this is 20 plus 80 is equal to 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 84 is equal to 16. That also you understand. So equity share capital account debit, security premium account debit to share forfeiture to equity share final call. Now what is this next entry? Next entry it is given that this shares were cancelled. This cancellation entry is over and this share was reissued to Mr. Abni at rupees 80 per share. 80 per shares means you have not got any loss while you are while you are doing reissue. That time you did not get any loss. If it is reissued at less than 10 rupees, then during this reissue you got loss. But here you are going to reissue at rupees 80. 80 means 10 rupees is the face value and 70 rupees is the premium. One more thing, the question may come from your mind, sir, while you are reissuing that time we are not passing the calling entry. No, reissue का time calling entry pass नहीं करना है, direct entry pass कर देना है. Direct entry means bank account debit, how many shares? 2000 shares. How much you are getting? 80 rupees. 2000 into 80, 1,60,000 to equity shares capital account, that is 2000 into 10 to security premium 2000 into 70. 70 plus 10 is equal to 80. So bank account debit 1,60,000 to equity shares capital account 20 and to equity shares premium account is 1,40,000. Next entry is there that forfeiture account should be closed and the balance should be transferred to the capital reserve account. This is the meaning of that. So share forfeiture balance, how much? Here you have not got. Number 8 में share forfeiture account has not come. Only share forfeiture came in number 7th. Number 7th में share forfeiture 16,000 credit हुआ था. 16,000 was credited. So at present the share forfeiture balance credit was 16,000. That 16,000 you have to make it a debit. So automatically share forfeiture account will be closed. So share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. Suppose here if you are getting share forfeiture balance certain amount, then this credit plus here you will get debit and the difference whatever it is coming that will come it here. But as you have not got here anything, that means this is 0. Only in 7 transactions share forfeiture 16,000 was credit and we have to make it a debit 16,000 to capital reserve. We are transferring this one. So this is the one thing you have to keep it mind, that 8 mark questions what you are going to get, like that questions you will get. Little confusions, 1 or 2 sentence it will be not like that so easy. So you have to get the preparations for all type of sums. Whatever the sums is going to come, that you will be able to fight it. This is called share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. And one more thing they said that one, that you have to open the security premium account. This is security premium account. Now how many places security premium came? You are getting total 9 journal. Out of this 9 journal, number 2, number 3, number 5, number 7. Number 2 security premium, number 3 security premium, number 5 security premium, and number 7 security premium, and here also in number 8 security premium. This all you post into the ledger, that is called security premium ledger account. I think every one of you know how to do the posting. That I will not say you. This is ledger posting. Security premium account debit to share capital. This is equity share applications account debit to security premium. I think you understood. You try to follow it. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. And one more thing I want to tell you, that is most important, that I want to say, please follow it. What is this? Now, the point which I am going to tell you, that heading is maximum possible discounts. Sometime like that questions also may come. By saying this maximum possible discount, these three words, most of the students getting so confused. Students, what happen, I will tell you. Most of the students, they will be able to do the 80% complete. They will be able to complete the 80% sums. But 15% and 20% they will not be able to complete, and due to that they are losing some marks. So you should know the all types, all situations, whatever the types of sums is coming, will be able to do. Suppose a complete sums, if there are the 4 installment are there and the sum it is giving issue to reissue, you know that one total 11th entry is coming. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 3, last 3. If there are the 3 installment are there, that means 3 into 2, 6 plus 3, 9 journal will come. But up to before that last 3, that is called cancellations, reissue and transfer, there most of the students are doing mistakes. So you should not do that mistakes. Like that one sum I made it, you try to understand. So I wrote in short form. I have not written in all in details. Issued capital 40,000 shares of 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 means 10 rupees is the face value, 2 rupees is the premium. Application received 50,000 shares, that means excess is 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares money you have to give it back. Allotment was made 2 plus 5 plus 5. 2 plus 5 means 3 plus 2. This is 3 plus 2 means 3 rupees is the face value, 2 rupees is the premium, and 5 rupees. So you are getting 2 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And this 5 rupees का साथ 2 रुपया प्रीमियम है. Mr. X not paid 2000 shares last call. Mr. X last call payment नहीं दिया. And company forfeited X shares and reissued to Mr. Z at maximum possible discount. How much money it was reissued, that amount is not given, but only it is given it was reissued at maximum possible discount. Maximum possible discount, I will tell you what does it mean. Let me start it first. Number 1, which will come bank account debit to share applications account. Bank account debit to share application, how much will come? 50,000 into 2 is equal to 1 lakh. I think you understood this is. Number 2, what will come? Share applications account debit to share cap to bank. Share application account debit same amount, that is 1 lakh, and bank refund you are giving how much? 10,000. So you are giving here 10,000 into 2 is equal to 20,000. If it is a 20, this will be 80. Because this is how much? This is 40,000 into 2. Second entry is over. Third entry. Third entry will pass calling entry. Share allotment account debit to share cap to share premium. How much share allotment ka price? 5 rupees. So 40,000 into 5 is equal to 2 lakh. Share capital how much? 3 rupees. 40,000 into 2 is equal to 80,000. And premium is how much? 2 rupees. 40,000 into 2 is equal to, this is 1 minute, share face value is 3, so this will be 1 lakh 20. This is 1,20,000 and this will be 80. So share allotment account debit 2 lakh, to share capital 1,20,000, to share premium 80,000. Now fourth entry, you have received money allotment for all. So you write it, bank account debit to share allotment. All money you have received. So 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Next, number 5. We will pass the entry for calling. Calling for first call. So, or final call. एक ही है. Share final call account debit. Premium is not there. To share capital. How many shares? 40,000. Into 5. 40,000 into 5. Is not it? That means, you understand, no? 5 rupees is the last call price. 40,000 into 5. That means 2 lakh. Now, we will pass the receiving entry. Bank account debit. Here call scenario is coming. Call scenario account debit to share final call. Bank account debit, call scenario account debit to share final call. Share final call amount already you have got. So you have to write 2 lakh. Out of the 2,000 shares, you did not get the money. 2,000 shares का कितना रुपया करके? 5 रुपया. तो 10,000 आपने रिसीव नहीं किया, तो ये रिसीव किया 1,90,000. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, 10,000 आपने रिसीव नहीं किया, 1,90,000 में रिसीव किया. Next entry, 7th. 7th entry, we are going to cancel X shares. So share capital account debit. Share capital account debit. Is not it? To share forfeiture to call scenario account. Now share capital account debit how much? 2,000 into 10. Premium will not come because premium amount was clear. So 2,000 into 10 is equal to, that is 2,000 into 10 मतलब 20,000. मिस्टर एक्स का पास 2,000 शेयर का 10 रुपये करके लेना था, और कॉल सिनेरियो अमाउंट ऑलरेडी यू गॉट इट. क्रेडिट हाउ मच? 10,000. सो फॉर फ्यूचर विल ऑल्सो बी 10,000. Now 8. 8 we will transfer. 8 we will pass the journal for reissue. But now you have to understand. This is forfeiture means paid, and this is not paid. Paid, not paid means paid by the shareholder, not paid by the shareholder. Mr. X, who was, try to understand very carefully. Mr. X, who was having 2,000 share, he has to pay each share 10 rupees, total 20,000 he has to pay. But out of that, he paid for this face value, I am telling. For the face value, he paid 2 plus 3, 2 rupees for the application and 3 rupees for the allotment. 5 rupees he paid. So he paid, that is 10,000, which is paid. That is 10,000 is coming share forfeiture, and call scenario which is not paid. Now company, suppose when company is going to reissue to Mr. Z, that time company can give maximum discount to Mr. Z already which he has received. He is received how much? 10,000. 10,000 अमाउंट कंपनी ऑलरेडी रिसीव किया, तो उसको पास मिस्टर जेड का पास ओनली दिस मच अमाउंट कंपनी कैन टेक, बिकॉज 10,000 तो कंपनी के पास जमा ही है, और 10,000 लेगा तो कंपनी के पास 20,000 हो जाएगा. तो 10,000 लेगा तो लेना था कितना? 20,000. तो उसको मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट 10,000 ही दे सकता है. वेरी सिंपल. if maximum possible discount is given, that time this entry 8 entry which will write it here, bank account debit 10,000 or share forfeiture account debit 10,000 to share capital. Share capital, how much is debited, same amount will be credited. Or here maximum possible discount, how much share forfeiture account will be credited, that amount should be debited here. This two will be the same, keep it in mind. These two will be the same, so automatically that means how much company got the profit for cancellation, that much company getting the loss for reissue. This is the meaning of that. How much company got the profit while calculating his cancellation the share, that much profit company got the loss while reissue the share. This is called maximum possible discount. फॉरफीचर बैलेंस जितना होगा उतना रीइशू में फॉरफीचर बैलेंस लिख देना है. यहाँ शेयर फॉरफीचर 10,000 है, रीइशू का टाइम भी 10,000 लिख दे, बाकी तो आपको आ जाएगा. और 9th एंट्री विल नॉट कम, नो एंट्री. वाई? बिकॉज फॉरफीचर बैलेंस इज ऑलरेडी क्लोज. Here be 10 was credit, here 10 is debit, so it is closed. For that it will not come here. I think you understood. Even if it is not clear, you can tell me next one more sum like that maximal possible discount I will explain in details. Hope you are understanding. If you are having any doubt, you can tell at any time. Okay, bye, all the best.